Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by identifying exactly what you need. Open Device Manager and view the Unknown Adapters properties, Details tab, Hardware IDs, copy VEN and DEV strings. Once done, note your OS version and whether it is 32 or 64-bit. Make sure you have a clean USB drive and a second computer with internet access or an Ethernet cable to temporarily connect the target machine. This avoids guessing drivers and speeds up retrieval. Now use the second computer to search using the hardware ID you recorded or search the laptop/PC model on the manufacturer site. Once you locate a matching driver package, INF, CAB, or an installer EXE, confirm it matches your OS build and architecture. Download the package and save it to the USB drive. If only compressed files exist, extract them so INF files are visible. Make sure the driver looks signed or has reasonable version history. This reduces compatibility risk. Transfer the downloaded driver folder to the offline machine and run the installer or Open Device Manager. Right-click the adapter, choose Update Driver, and point to the folder with the INF files. Once installed, reboot the system to finalize kernel-level changes and test connectivity. If it fails, try installing in safe mode, use compatibility mode for older installers, or roll back to a previous driver version. One key tip: if the adapter remains missing, check BIOS.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.